Definitely a beautiful beach. It's definitely. Here on the beach, Coco's doing the flying a kite from the water. She's killing it too. Kite been up in the air about 20 minutes now. She's about 30 yards out. The waves is crazy. Zulu, I don't know if Zulu likes it too much. I don't even know if you can hear me because of the wind, but it's just said duo. We here at the Outer Banks. She's getting crushed right now by the waves. But we here at the Outer Banks. Really like the Outer Banks. You know, we love beaches. We go to beaches all over. I mean, mountains all over, but beaches is definitely by far our favorite. So coming out here to the Outer Banks, as much as we explore North Carolina, I think was really important. But back to this kite, though. I think this kite is pretty amazing.